When you say it's raining, people might wonder, is it light? Is it heavy? There are many ways to describe the rain. You can use spitting, drizzling, and pouring. Spitting, like this, is when you push out water in your mouth. Not nice, isn't it? It's spitting means raining very slightly, only a few drops, like when you spit. More than spitting is drizzling. Drizzle means to rain in small light drops. It's drizzling means it's raining lightly. Now pouring. To pour, like to pour water, means to rain heavily, with lots of water falling down from the sky, like water being poured down. Sometimes when it's raining and windy at the same time, the rain goes sideways, from left to right or from right to left. We can say it's raining sideways. Sometimes when it rains and stops and rains again, like there's a rain machine in the sky and someone keeps pushing on and off, we say it's been raining on and off all day. Now shower. You know have a shower, right? A shower is when water falls down, like when you have a shower. Lots of water, but only for a short time. For the next word, you know down, right? And remember pour? Together we have a downpour, meaning a lot of rain in a short time. If you are caught in a downpour, you'll get soaking wet. Not just wet, soaking wet. To soak means to make something wet. Soaking wet is very wet, totally wet. Sometimes people use the word rain, but it's not about the rain at all. For example, when it rains, it pours. It's not just light rain, not just spitting or drizzling, but pouring. This saying means something bad happens followed by many other bad things. For example, you're late for work, you miss the bus, your boss gets angry at you, later on you have an accident, and near the end of the day your girlfriend or boyfriend breaks up with you. Such a horrible day, isn't it? When a lot of bad things happen to you like this, you can say, when it rains, it pours. Another case of using the word rain to talk about something bad is a rainy day. A rainy day is when you need money unexpectedly. Unexpectedly means not knowing something will happen. Like suddenly. She saved some money for a rainy day. A rainy day here can be for when she needs to fix her house after a big earthquake, or her car after a car crash, or when she's really sick. Life is not only filled with sunny days, there are also rainy days, so you better save some money for a rainy day. To wrap up, we have spitting, very small rain, then drizzling, bigger rain, but still small, and pouring, lots and lots of rain. A downpour, lots of rain in a short time. A shower, smaller than a downpour and also in a short time. And if you're caught in either a downpour or a shower, you can be soaking wet. When it rains, it pours. Many bad things happen one after another. A rainy day when you need money unexpectedly. Well, that's all for today. Next time when it rains, try using these phrases. Bye, see you in the next video.